1. Grab fruit. Apples, oranges and even bananas are great options for a grab-and-go lifestyle. They not only travel well, but are much better options than any from a vending machine. These fruits can satisfy a sweet tooth and have plenty of fiber, which is essential for any successful weight plan. Always keep some handy. 2. Park far away. It's sometimes difficult to get in enough exercise, so adding small bursts of activity whenever you can is a must. Parking far enough away so that you must walk to where you're going can get in exercise even if doesn't feel like it. Even 100 steps at a time quickly add up to a substantial amount of exercise during the day. 3. Skip the fast food. Fast foods choices tend to have higher level of calories without much nutrition. Even though they're more convenient, it's always better to carry snack options with you than trying to grab something from a fast food restaurant. 4. Drink lots of water. Many people assume hunger pangs mean you need something to eat. In many cases, your body could be telling you that you're dehydrated. Keep the water handy and you may surprisingly find yourself less hungry than you thought you would be. 5. Have your portions. Portion sizes over the past 50 years have doubled. Do yourself a favor and simply reduce your plate by half. If you usually eat 2 cups of pasta, reduce it to 1. Eat slowly and savor each bite. Once done with your meal, you may not even really notice you've eaten less. 6. Add soups. Adding broth-based soups can help keep you fully hydrated while at the same time providing low-calorie nutrition. Since soups also usually come with plenty of vegetables, you're giving yourself a double dose of vegetables. 7. Get a good night's sleep. Not getting enough sleep can lead to higher stress, which leads to higher cortisol levels, which often leads to a lower metabolic rate. If you make getting a good night's sleep a priority, you are helping your body burn more fat more efficiently. 8. Skip the alcohol. Alcohol is simply empty calories. And once you drink a few, you start to lose track of how many calories you are consuming. While you're trying to lose weight, it's best to limit alcohol to a few glasses and only during special occasions. 9. Double your fiber. Fiber is the dieter's secret weapon. Studies prove that doubling your fiber intake can lead to increased rates of success in any weight loss plan. This is because fiber is filling. You will feel more satisfied with what you eat and you will be less hungry during the day. 10. Move during commercials. It's too easy to go home at night and simply relax on the couch watching your programs. Even though the day may have been hard, it's important to keep yourself moving as much as possible. Make it a habit during commercials to find something to do, even if it means simply walking around the living room. 11. Praise yourself. Nothing can ruin a diet faster than becoming frustrated and just giving up the good eating habits. It's important to praise yourself and cheer yourself on, especially during the times you don't feel like it. When times get tough and you feel like giving it all up, remind yourself of the times you've been successful and made great choices. 12. Skip the sides. When you're out getting something to eat, stick to the 1 or 2 primary items on your plate. Ask the staff to hold the side dishes, such as the rolls or the mashed potatoes. These dishes, even if healthy, are not really needed when you've already got a chicken breast or a burger as your meal. 13. Snack on nuts and seeds. There will come a time when you simply get hungry and want a snack. Nuts and seeds are the perfect snack. That's because they have lots of nutrients, some healthy fats, proteins and fiber. The key is to keep the snack sizes small.